Hi, summer mathematicians. My name is Miss Cordova, and I'm so excited to meet you. I am a teacher here in Seattle. I teach second grade, and I've taught first grade before too. But one other thing that's really important for you to know about me is that I've worked with Summer Staircase every summer. Now, there's two things that I love the most about math. One of those things is that math is everywhere around you. For example, do you see any math right here in my teaching space? Maybe you see numbers or shapes, or you can think of a story problem. What kind of math questions could I ask about this artwork behind me? I could think about the number of rectangles, the number of sides. I could talk about the different sizes of each shape that I see behind me. That's what I love most about math. It is everywhere. You use it all the time. The other thing that I love about math is that you can learn math and practice math just by playing games. And that's really our goal of working together this summer. When you meet with me, you're going to be learning how to play new games, practicing those new games, and then you'll talk about those games with your teachers. I can't wait to work with you this summer. We're going to have so much fun. Today we're going to play one of my favorite games. You're going to hear me say that a lot. I love a lot of these games. But today it's called Dots and Boxes. Dots and Boxes. Now, Dots and Boxes is a partner game. You may not all be at a place where you can play with a partner. So I'm going to show you how to play it with a partner, but also you could play it against yourself. When I'm playing games and I don't have a partner, I can play against myself. I can also find a stuffy or maybe another toy at home and pretend we're playing against each other. Maybe you're in a place where you could play with a partner. You could ask a grown-up or another kid at home to play with you. Either way, it's a super fun game. Now, today you will need your Dots and Boxes sheet, and you will need a pencil or marker. Now, if you're playing against yourself, you might choose to use two colors, but I'll also show you a way for you to just use a pencil because there's a way to identify you took the turn even if you are using the same color both times, okay? Now, the object of this game, the object means how you know you earn points, is to fill in squares with your initials or your color. On your turn, you are going to connect one dot to another dot, either horizontally or vertically. So you're either going to connect two dots going horizontally across or going vertically up and down. You take turns making these lines back and forth, until you've completed an entire box. When you've completed an entire box, that is your box and your point, and you get to either color it in with your color or write your initials inside. After you've filled in a box, you get to take another turn for the next line. Then your other partner takes a turn, and so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and play this together. So here's my example game. Because it's just me, I'm playing with blue and purple. So remember, on each turn, you connect two dots. Okay, if you hear those footsteps, that's just my dog. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and have blue make a line right here. Now it's purple's turn. Purple's gonna go here. Blue's turn. It's gonna try to connect here. And then purple decides to connect here, and because they completed the box, purple gets to take this point. So I'm going to go ahead and put my initials in there to show that I got that point. Purple would then go again. Purple's going to try over here this time. Then blue will go. Uh-oh, what do you think purple will do next? When you try to play this game, remember that you can use two different colors. Remember, it's the color that completes the box that gets to add its initials inside the box. Then they get to take another turn before the next color or person goes. Okay, go ahead and take some time to play this game, and then you can pause the video and come back and we'll talk a little bit about different strategies or ways you might play. All right, I hope you've had a few minutes to try this game on your own. Some questions to think about. My first question is, does going first really matter in this game? Is going first helpful or not? After finishing a game, you might think, why did I win that game? Why did I lose that game? What strategies am I and my partner using that's helping them be successful in this game? My third question is a tricky one. Is it possible to end this game in a tie? Now, friends, I want you to play this game several times because you'll notice new things every time you play it. This has been so much fun with you, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, mathematicians!